Hey everybody, welcome to my Let's Edit a Montage series. So this is kind of like a Let's Play, but it's going to be for editing a video game montage, specifically a Halo montage in this one. So what I'm going to do is do a time lapse each time I edit, basically record everything, and at the very end of the video we'll show you an update. No matter how raw and rough it is, I just want you to see the process and what it looks like so we can go step by step. This montage itself will be a community montage, and I gathered clips from big members in the community. So it's gonna be really cool to not only finish this montage and release a community montage with everyone involved, but also to show you all the process and every step of the way. So let's get into it. I wanted to talk a little bit before each episode. So this is episode 1, and episode 1 is just me doing the rough sync. So what I'm focusing on here, and you'll see in the time lapse, is I'm just focusing on getting my gunshots on certain parts of the music where I want them. And funny enough, I've actually done this montage like 3 or 4 times where I've made it, scrapped it, made it, scrapped it. So this is now like the 4th or 5th song that I finally chosen for this, which you'll see at the end of the video because I'll preview it here, or I'll preview it at the end. I finally got a song that I'm kind of happy with, so I'm doing the rough sync. And like I said, when you watch it at the end, you'll notice even some of the visual gunshots are not lined up with where the gun sound effect is. And that's because a rough sync is me just getting the basic tempo for some of the syncing, where, like I said, the gunshots are on the beat, and in the next sync, which would be like a fine sync basically, if that's what you want to call it, I'll use some time remapping or Twixtor to get my gunshots, like at least the visuals of it, to line up on where I placed the sound effects. So I just want to explain that. Remember, when you're watching at the end, any black spaces are either spaces I have not put any clips yet, or there will be angles. So like I said, this is a very rough episode 1 where I'm doing a rough sync. And if you guys enjoy this, I'll record the whole process and I'll go through it all. And I'll talk about each step as I do it. And then, like now, I've kind of talked about everything I'm going to talk about. And I'm going to just let music play, finish out the time lapse. And at the end of the time lapse, you will see what we have, or like what is currently there after all that amount of work. So thanks for checking out episode 1, guys. I'll catch you on episode 2. Enjoy.
Please.